friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a brand new product for review. And in today's video we are going to review the Tulips Cotton Swabs. So here I have a packet of cotton swabs from Tulips, and this is a packet of 100 stems that we have, and it comes with 200 tips. So you get 200 cotton Q-tips in this, and it has a total of 100 sticks right here. Let's talk about the packaging. It comes in a very simple plastic packaging right here. Right on top is a Tulips brand, and their tagline, a caring touch. Here they say cotton swabs, 100 stems, 200 tips, unmatched consistency. So the consistency is very nice, and every swab has equal amount of cotton on it. It is India's trusted brand, personal hygiene products. It's a refill pack, it says behind. Let's check here. What is here? Exported to more than 17 countries from India. So Tulips cotton swabs are exported to more than 17 countries from India. Now moving on to the back of the pack, there's a QR code here, says scan and see more about us. Coming here, there are some features mentioned here. This is GMP certified facility, so the Q-tips are produced in a GMP certified production facility in controlled hygiene condition, untouched by hands. So these Q-tips are untouched by hands, completely automated using a state-of-the-art Swiss production line. Pure and softest cotton used, safest and purest cotton fiber used. Cotton is as per Indian pharmacopoeia standards. Pure and strong PP sticks. Food grade polypropylene used for sticks. Very heavy grammage for better strength. Microbiologically tested. No compromise on safety. Regular tests are done at an NABL accredited laboratory. Strong cotton stick bond gives 100% assurance that cotton will not debond from the stick during earlobe cleaning. The outer fibers of the swabs may open up or loosen a little for better cleaning, but please do not consider it as debonding. Caution is you need to keep it away from children's reach. Please do not insert swabs deep inside the ear. Alright. Coming to the net quantity, like I told you, you get 100 swabs in this, and the price is the same as rupees 33. So that's the MRP of it. Now let's go ahead and unpack it and check out the swab. So I don't like to disturb this. It's a very nicely packed thing, but still we'll just take one off right now. And this is a cotton swab. So there's generous cotton up on both the sides of the swab, on both the tips. So yeah, it looks nice and firm. The stick is nice and firm. The cotton is well bonded on the stick and won't come out easily when I'm pulling it off. So that is a good thing. So you don't need to be concerned about that the cotton might come off and be in the ear and stuff, right? So you don't need to worry about that. So I really like it. Let's go and do a taste test. I mean, not a taste test, but test. The cleaning test of the ear. So here we go. So I feel it's nice and effective. It's not very hard. It's nice and soft. It doesn't hurt when you put it inside the ear. So that is that, and it doesn't really helps to clean your ears well. So that's good, and you get 2 tips in one stem. So one for one ear, the other for the other ear. You can use it. And yeah, I think it's very effective and mine. So you can see like the cotton fibers come loose, but that is only for better cleaning, and like mentioned on the packet, it doesn't mean that the cotton is getting debonded. See, when I pull it, it's not coming off yet, right? So the cotton fibers come a bit loose, the fibers come a loose so that they can pull out all the dirt in the ear. That's the use of it. So guys, Tulips cotton swabs are available online on Amazon. If you all are looking to buy it, I'll have the link in the description below. You can purchase it from there. And guys, if you all like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos.